second. Are you guys ready to go for a boat ride?
Yes.
Okay, can you row your boat first?
Yes.
Let me see you row it. No, with your hands. Row your boat.
Row your boat.
Don't bump heads.
Merrily.
Ready? Let's go rocking.
Merrily.
Are you guys rocking? Should we rock this way?
Woo.
Whoa! Well, you don't have to put your hand out. The boat won't tip over. Uh-oh. I guess it will tip over. What was that, Julia?
Why is she so upset?
We can let her get in again.
Let Julia in first. Whoa, Anna, let her get in first.
But don't tell me no place. I can't even.
Okay, then we're just gonna go.
Look,
Just
there's a
Julia will go
place
for a boat
right
ride.
for you, Anna. There's a place there for you.
Do you want to go too?
No.
Okay, you don't have to go for a boat ride. Julia, are you going for a boat ride? Woo!
It's Anna. Anna.
Hey. Me in first. There's no place for me.
I think there is. There's room.
But there was further to the way.
You want to come with in the boat?
But.
You can, it'll move. Just go in.
Oh, we don't stand up in a boat though.
But.
Anna, go in. Hurry, go in. She's not in. Go in.
I'm giving you hugs.
Hurry up, Anna. Trent, that's not nice.
Anna, there's no one in the boat yet. Hurry
Go,
up.
go. Don't do that again,
I'm gonna
Trent.
put her in. Hurry up.
Jetta, don't do that again.
You guys ready to go for a boat ride?
Yes.
Can you look at Mama? Look at Mama.
No. Don't.
Who's that?
No. I'm the top.
Who's that? Is that Julia? And Anna.